Hey, it's Sam here, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Royal Kludge C98. It's a 96% Hall effect gaming keyboard with an 8000Hz polling rate, adjustable actuation range, web-based driver, and is available in 5 language layouts. For the price, it's around $90 and only comes in this white and copper colorway. Starting off with the unboxing, there's the usual stuff included like the user manual booklet, a Type-A to Type-C cable, a switch and keycap puller, 4 extra magnetic switches, a hard plastic protective cover, and the C98 keyboard weighing just under 1 kg or 2.2 pounds with its mostly plastic build. Taking a look at the design, the keyboard has an exploded 98 key layout with a volume knob on the top right corner which is removable and replaceable with a 6mm knob, has 4 extra keys above the arrow keys and 3 indicator lights next to the escape key. For the case, it has this two-tone design with the Royal Kludge logo on the front, the Type-C connection port on the left side on the back, and 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with 2 flip-out ones that can increase the typing angle so you can go from 4 to 7 or 9 degrees. And there's also the keyboard information in the middle. Going back on top, the keycaps are cherry profile double shot PBT in this white, brown and green copper-like colorway that looks decent in my opinion, and also has the functions printed on the sides for ease of use. Royal Kludge magnetic switches that are pre-looped and has an actuation range from 0.01 to 3.5mm. Plate-mounted stabilizers that are pre-looped as well with minimal rattle and extra foam dampeners at the spacebar. A top-mounted aluminum plate that provides a stable typing feel with no flags. A 2-pin hot swap north-facing Hall effect PCB with per key RGB. And 3 sound dampening mods in the case with an EVA foam in between the plate and PCB and a piece of foam and silicone in the bottom case. Moving on to the software, the C98 supports the Royal Kludge web-based driver. With this, you can set different profiles, remap all of the layers and keys with the functions listed here, test all of the keys' travel distance, set the actuation point between 0.01 to 3.5mm, enable and configure the rapid trigger settings, set the dead zones and polling rate for the keyboard, calibrate all of the keys, enable Hall effect features like dynamic keystroke, mod tab, toggle, and SOCD for gaming, record and import macros, configure the RGB lighting effects, brightness, speed, and sleep timer, and update or reset the firmware for the keyboard. Diving into the usage and performance, the keyboard is really fast with an 8000Hz polling rate and a response time of just 0.125 milliseconds. Paired with a really short actuation point, it's really responsive and allows you to react instantly not only in games but when you're typing or working too. Speaking about gaming, it performed great in Valorant and Rivals, and my only complaint is the size as the numpad does take up a lot of space. Anyway, here is some gameplay with me testing out the keyboard followed by the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Royal Kludge C98. Design-wise, it looks decent, but I will say the colorway is a little weird and not everyone will like it. As for the layout, the 96 keys and volume knob is awesome for productivity and work, but it's a little big for gaming in my opinion. Specs-wise, it's great with a fast polling rate and response time, and the Hall effect features and web-based driver provide a lot of customization options. So if you're looking for a decent 96% Hall effect gaming keyboard under $100, the Royal Kludge C98 is a solid choice. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Royal Kludge for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.